Okay everyone, so this is question from November 2023 exam series and variant is 1-1 and this is paper 1 AS level economics. Okay, so this question was causing trouble to many students, so I thought I should explain it once again. The question is, the diagram shows the production possibility curve PPC for country X and country Y. So these are two countries, X and Y. These are only two countries in the world. Both countries produce just two goods, M and N, right? So this is good M and this is good N. Under which terms of trade will both country X and Y benefit from trade with each other? Okay, so the trade basically is beneficial to the countries if exchange rate is within the opportunity cost of each country, right? What does that mean? So let me convert this like diagram into the table, right? So we have like countries, and there are two countries, one is X and the other one is Y, and there are two products, one is M and the other one is N. Okay, so we will also add one more column to find out opportunity cost. Country X can produce, this is country X, PPC of country X. Country X can produce 100 units of product M and 100 units of product N, right? So its opportunity cost will be 1:1, right? So 1M ratio 1N, right? So moving to the second country, that is country Y. Opportunity cost of country Y is there is like 200 units of M, it can produce 200 M and 150 N, right? Now what we can do is we can again find out the opportunity cost, and for finding opportunity cost what we need to do is we will divide 200 by 200 to make it 1, right? So for 1M, country N will have to sacrifice how much quantity of N? That is 150 over 200, and it will give us like 0.75. So this is 0.75. So for country X, opportunity cost of 1M is equal to 1 unit of N. For country Y, opportunity cost of 1M is equal to 0.75 N. Okay, so based on these opportunity costs, we have seen that country X can produce 1 unit of M against 1 unit of N, and country Y can produce 1 unit of M against 0.75 units of N. Okay, so if they want to trade with each other, then what should be the trading possibilities between them, right? So keep in mind, country X will never offer 1 unit of N for 1 unit of M, and country Y will not accept 0.75 unit of N against 1 unit of M, because country Y itself can produce 0.75 N against 1 M. So if it accepts 0.75, then there is no reason to trade, because country Y itself can produce 0.75 N against 1 M. So country Y will expect greater quantity of N, that is above 0.75 quantity of N, and for country X, it will never offer whatever it is producing, it will offer less than 1 N for 1 M, right? So the opportunity cost of 1 M should be in between 1 and 0.75 N. So they will not accept 1 m for 0.75 n. 1 m is not possible for 1 n, because if country X can produce 1 m against 1 n, then it will never offer the entire quantity. Similarly, if country Y itself can produce 0.75 n against 1 m, then it will not basically accept 0.75. So 0.75 is not possible, 1 for 1 is not possible, and 1 for 2n is not possible, because none of them is producing 2n for 1m. So this is beyond their production possibility, so it's not possible. So the exchange rate must be 1m must be equal to between 1 and 0.75 n. So this choice will be the correct option B, because 1 m for 0.8 n. This exchange rate will be acceptable to both, because country Y will be able to get more quantity of n than its own production possibility, and country X has to give lesser than what it was producing, that is 1 n. It is not offering entire quantity of 1 n, rather it is offering 0.8, which is less than 1 but greater than 0.75. So trade will take place between them on these terms, right? So I believe you understand this concept. It's really confusing, and if there is still an issue, then you may write in the comment box. So see you, bye.